Hello guys, how are you? So in today's session we are going to talk about the applications of text mining. What are the applications of text mining? How we are going to use this text mining in the real world. So let's start with our today's session. First of all, the first application is risk management. No matter the industry, insufficient risk analysis is often a leading cause of failure. So basically, if there is insufficient risk analysis in is in a company, then that will lead to a failure. This is especially true in the financial industry where adoption of risk management software based on the text mining technology can dramatically increasing the ability to migrate risk, enabling complete management of thousands of sources and petabytes of text documents, and providing the ability to link together information and able to access the right information at the right time. So basically it is telling that the while we are using the text mining while we are using the text mining in the risk analysis, and when we are finding the risk according to the something, and we say that, like, if we are, like, here we are saying that by using the text mining, we import all the thousands of data and thousands of petabytes of data, and from that text mine data, we calculate the risk from that data by analyzing some terms and by analyzing some factors using some conditions, and when we get the risk by using this text mining technique, then we get a better value of risk for some decisions. So that's how this text mining is useful in the risk management. And next is the knowledge management. Not being able to find important information quickly is always a challenge when managing large volumes of text documents. Just ask anyone in the healthcare industry. So if you don't finding the any information which is important quickly, as when you want, like sometimes you won't find any information as quick as much when you want in the urgent basis, then this text mining is very useful for that, because it will help the healthcare industry to find the information as quick as it can. And next, the here organizations are challenged with a tremendous amount of informations, decades of research in the genomics and molecules techniques, for example, as well as volumes of clinical patient data that could potentially be useful for their largest profit center new product development. So after getting the decades of research and getting the tremendous amount of information, as well as volumes of clinical patient data, that can help a organization to make a large profit by using this text mining technique to get a large amount of information. By getting the large amount of information, next is the cybercrime prevention. The anonymous nature of the internet and the many communication features operated through it contribute to the increased risk of internet based crime. So basically the anonymous nature of this internet will increase the crime rate, crime scenes in the internet. And today text mining intelligence and anti-crime and applications are making internet crime prevention easier for any enterprise and law enforcement or intelligence agencies. So basically this text mining and the anti-crime applications were very useful, are being very useful to prevent the internet crime, to prevent the internet crime for any enterprise or law enforcement or intelligence agencies. And next is the customer care service. Text mining as well as natural language processing are frequent applications for customer care. Today's text analysis software is frequent adopted to improve the customer experience using different sources of valuable information such as surveys, trouble tickets, and customer call notes, and to improve the quality, effectiveness, and speed in the resolving problems. So basically, when you are applying the natural language processing to figuring out the sentiment of a customer review, you have to get the data to process to make to do the natural language processing. And for other things also, like for a particular customer, you have to grab his data, like how kind what kind of things he like, what kind of what kinds of products this customer likes. So this text mining is very useful to get the data of a particular customer, to scrape the data for a particular customer. And it is very useful in this improving the customer and experience. This text mining is very useful. Text analysis is used to provide a rapid automated response to the customer, dramatically reducing their reliance on call center operators to solve problems. So this text analysis is using in a very rapid way, and this automated response of the customer, this automated response by the company to the customer, it is reducing their, it is reducing the customer reliance on the call center, and the solve the call operators to solve their problems. Next is fraud detection through claims investigation. Text analysis is tremendously effective technology in any domain where the majority of information is collected as text. Insurance companies are take advantages of text mining technologies by combining the results of text analysis with structured data to prevent frauds and swiftly process claims. So this text analysis is very effective in the fraud detection because it collected the tremendous amount of information, and by combining the results of the text analysis from that collected text and with the structured data, it will help to prevent the frauds and swiftly process claims. Next, the contextual advertising. Digital advertising is a moderately new and growing field of application for text analytics. Compared to the traditional cookie-based approach, contextual advertising provides better accuracy, completely preserves the user's privacy. So basically, to provide the contextual advertising, this text mining, text analysis is very helpful to make a new kind of advertisement which has a better accuracy and having a complete preserves, and having the complete preserves that the preserves of the users privacy. So this became better by using the text mining. Next is business intelligence. This process is used by large companies to uphold and support decision making. So while making the decision in some business, then this text mining is very useful for that. Then here text mining really makes the difference, enabling the analyst to quickly jump at the answer even when analyzing petabytes of internal and open source data. So basically, this text mining makes the difference, enabling to the analyst to quick jump to the answer even when analyzing petabytes of internal and open source data. So when they just grab some data and they get the data, they analyze those petabytes of the scrape data and the open source data, and by using the data they quickly analyze and jump to the answer that this decision is correct or not. Next is applications such as the expert.ai intelligence platform are able to monitor thousands of sources and analyze large data volumes to extract from them only the relevant content. So basically this expert.ai intelligence platform are able to monitor like thousands of sources where this data can be available, thousands of resources where the data which is relevant to us are available, and by analyzing those thousands of several data, they helps to make the decision preferences. Next is content enrichment. While it's true that working with the text content still requires a bit of human effort, text analytics techniques make a significant difference when it comes to being able to more effectively manage large volumes of information. Text mining techniques enrich content, providing a scalable layer to tag, organize, and summarize the available content that makes it suitable for a variety of purposes. So basically, if you want to make a content for a specific topic, or if you are making a content for something, then by using this text mining technique, it will enrich the content of the text, it will enhance the content of the text and make a very good content by providing some tags, links in that, and it and makes that content suitable, for variety of purposes. Next is spam filtering. Email is an effective, fast, and reasonably cheap way to communicate, but it comes with a dark side. Spam. Today's spam is a major issue for internet service providers, increasing their cost of service management and hardware software updating for users. Spam is an entry point for virus and impacts productivity. Text mining techniques can be implemented to improve the effectiveness of statistical based filtering methods. So basically, if the spam is the problem in the today's lifestyle, where the in internet you get a lot of spam mails or spam mails and other updates like that, and when you get when there is a lot of spam, then the someone can transfer the viruses from that, and it will also impacts the productivity. So by using the text mining, this there is an effectiveness statistical based filtering methods that will reduce the spamming of emails and other things. Next is social media data analysis. So basically today social media is one of the most prolific sources of unstructured data. Organizations have taken notice. Social media is increasingly being recognized as valuable source of market and customer intelligence, and companies are using it to analyze or predict customer needs and understand the perception of their brand. So basically this social media is most you used by many of users, and hence it is getting very popularity, and this social media is used by many users, so that's why companies are investing big on it, and companies using it to analyze or predicting the customer needs. So in both the needs, text analysis can address both the analyzing large volumes of unstructured data, extracting the opinions, emotions, and sentiment, and their relations with brand and product. So this text mining is very useful in this social media to find out that is this customer is very how the customer relationship with these companies, and how the customer relationship with this product, how the customer thinking is customer thinking positive towards this product, or the customer thinking negative for this product. And that's all for this applications of text mining, where we talk about a lot of text mining applications in the real world applications like risk management, knowledge management, cyber crime prevention, customer care services, fraud detection through claim investigation, contextual advertising, business intelligence, content enrichment, spam filtering, social media data analysis. So that's all for the today's session, where we talk about the applications of text mining. I know these are the not all the applications of the text mining, but it is not possible to tell all the things in the one single session. So I just recommend you that you can also find more and more applications of text mining and try to do more research and development on it. It will beneficial you for you in the future. So that's all for the today's session. Thank you. Bye. Take care, stay motivated, and keep learning.